Hello guys, this is our next portion of words, 100 most popular English nouns. Before starting this lesson, I just want to say that some of these words are used widely in the world, so you can already know them. If so, great, just lean back and have a break while watching this lesson. If otherwise you don't know these words yet, so grab a pen and paper and let's get started. And the words for today are place, system, government, question, week, company, work, number, case, program. Listen to the words once again and repeat them after me. Place, system, government, question, week, company, work, number, case, program. Now you will see and hear the explanation of the words one at a time. So, word number one for today is place. 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 A place is any point, building, area, town or country. Look, you can describe this picture like, this is a very beautiful place. Our next word is government. 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 The government of a country is the group of people who officially control a country. And word number three is work. 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 Work is an activity such as job. Usually people get money for their work. Word number four is company. 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 A company is a business organization that makes money by selling goods or services. Word number five is system. 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 A system is a way of working, organizing, or doing something. A system can also be a set of devices powered by electricity, for example, a computer or an alarm. Word number six is program. 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 A program is a series of instructions that make a computer perform an operation. Word number seven is number. 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 A number is a word such as 2, 3, 4, 10, and so on. Word number eight is week. 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 A week is a period of 7 days. Word number nine is case. 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 A case is a particular situation or example of something. A case can also be a crime or mystery that the police are investigating. And the last word for today is question. 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 A question is something you say or write in order to ask a person about something. Here they are, all 10 words for today. Please listen to them and repeat after me. Place. System. Government. Question. Week. Company. Work. Number. Case. Program. Great! Before we start practicing, I'd like to remind you that in the comments below you'll find the translation of these words into Spanish, Polish and Russian. and I hope I will see other variants of translation into your native language. Nevertheless, it's time for practice, as yes, that's right, practice makes perfect. Please, try to read these list of words by yourself. And now, let's read it together. Program, company, system, work, question, case, government, week, place, number. And now, as you can see, I've hidden the words, and that means that you need to name the pictures without prompts. And I'm sure your answers are program, company, system, work, question, case, government, week, place, number. Our next exercise requires you to give the names of the words. As a prompt, I left the very first and last letters. So, can you do it? Let's check. I hope it was not difficult at all. And our words are system, program, question, place, number, week, work, government, case, company. And the last exercise. The task is the same. You need to name these pictures. But the trick is, you need to do it as quickly as possible. You have only 10 seconds to do it. So, get set, go! I have no doubts you did it in time, didn't you? If not, just keep repeating and rewatching the lesson as often as you can. The point is that you'll be able to use these words in your own speech only if you remember them very well. So please, save this video to your later list and refresh your memory from time to time. Don't forget to share this lesson with your friends and family. And meanwhile, I'm saying goodbye. And see you guys in my other lessons. Wish you all the best. Take care.